Namaste children. Now we are going to discuss the topic the Renaissance. So what is a Renaissance? What is meant by Renaissance? Renaissance is a French word which means rebirth. Renaissance means is derived from a French language which means rebirth, and it refers to a period in European civilization that was marked by a revival of classical learning and wisdom. So it refers a period of European civilization. Till then we have discussed that until 14th century was under the control of church and there was no any kind of freedom, but those people, they revolted against church and as well as feudalism and feudal lords, and even in culture also, and they want to do something new that. See here the Renaissance, for example. So what are this? So it for example, this Renaissance means a new way of looking. So documents, printed books, paintings, sculptures, buildings, textiles, etc. So these are all, and they want to do something new. All these were they preserved in galleries and as well as art museums in Europe. And 19th century onwards, these historians, they use it to the term Renaissance to describe cultural changes of this period. What kind of changes took place? And the historians who emphasize these most was the Switzerland scholar Jacob Burckhardt. He was from Switzerland. So he was a man, Jacob Burckhardt, a Swiss scholar, the historian, and he wrote a book called The Civilization of the Renaissance. The Civilization of the Renaissance in Italy. What book he had written? He had written a book called The Civilization of Renaissance in Italy. And the readers, what they have to pay attention on that the attention to literature, architecture, painting, and how the people are changing their lives. And for example, and this fellow was Jacob Burckhardt, and he was from Switzerland, and he lived on the earth from 1818 to 97. In the year 1860, he wrote this book. And readers, they paid attention on this culture. And there was a new concept came into existence, that the new humanist culture. New humanist culture, it had flowered in Italian towns from the 14th to the 17th century. During this period, they come to know that humanism, where the individuals or individuality, they come to know their capability and capacity in improving or developing the culture. Earlier, if you observe, they used to depend on the church and as well as landlords. The church and as well as landlords. But when such the revolution took place in England, and when the people they tried to develop themselves on their own, and they rejected the authority of church. And see here, he wrote, so characterized by a new belief that man as an individual was capable of making his own decisions and developing his skills. So this Renaissance, or the concept of humanism or individualism or realism, these made the people, especially Europeans, to know about their capability. And they got, and they thought that they believed that we have got the capacity to take the decisions on their own and to develop on their own without anybody's interference and without anybody's authority. So that's why. And he was a modern in contrast to medieval man whose thinking had been controlled by the church. In ancient period, medieval period, their thoughts, their beliefs and their lives controlled by the church, whereas when they reach the modern period and they come out with their own decisions and own skills and own culture. And here we have got some questions, my dear children. In the view of Burckhardt, which of these would be associated with the modern view and which would be medieval view? According to Jacob Burckhardt, and what are the associated with the modern view and as well as medieval, that you have to think and write. And faith in the ability of human beings to know and decide for themselves. They come to know that about their capability and capacity, and they believed themselves to take the own decisions. And faith in the religious books and priests, faith in divine revelation, faith in human reason. So these are all some important things which the people followed during between medieval period and modern period, and as well as how they developed the concept of humanism and individualism and realism. So this is about the rest. So I would like to ask you once again, so what is the Renaissance? What is Renaissance? Anybody? So it is Renaissance, the word derived from French, which means rebirth. So rebirth of culture, rebirth of sculpture, painting, literature, buildings, and etc. So this Renaissance is nothing but in ancient period, when these people were under the authority of church and landlords, and they did not have any kind of individualism and they did not develop their own skills. So their culture was what we can say suppressed, and because of that culture, because of that traditions, because of that administration, then people migrated to so many distant places, faraway places. But when they revolted against these people, authorities, our church, and once again there was a birth of their culture. So such the rebirth of culture in Europe is nothing but Renaissance. So these are some important paintings during the Renaissance period which took place. paintings and some buildings, sculpture. So these are all nothing but took place during the period of Renaissance, the period of Renaissance.